My name is Baillie and I'm a professor at the University of San Diego Shiley School of Engineering. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we educate engineers for sustainability and health at all levels.
Everything we do has values underlying it. So what engineers do in the world is actually driven by what they value. Here's a quote from Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. Quality and value create the subjects and objects of the world. Facts don't really exist unless values created them. So if engineers are focused on helping the world, helping the planet, helping sustain our lives and keep us healthy, then that is what we will do. And so our educational programs are focused on attracting students who value these things, educating them to really understand how to do it, both at the undergraduate level and at the graduate level. So what I'm going to do is share just a few of those with you today. The first one I'm going to talk about is an undergraduate program. This is a community engineering program. In this one we work with the Kumeyaay Nation up in Viejas in Alpine. Now Kumeyaay people were the traditional people of this land and in Mexico, in the northern region, for many years, and they really care for the land and the oceans. So they work with our students to help them understand more about that, and our students will work with them to co-create technologies. Here we're worrying about the Tijuana Estuary, which is full of trash and pollution. Can we somehow get communities working in the Los Laureles Canyon adjacent to the Tijuana Estuary to make products like this one here? The roof in this building is made from banana stem and plastic bags. It happens to be in Sri Lanka with previous work of mine through my organization Waste for Life. But this is what we want to be doing in Tijuana with our students at the University of San Diego. And here's the Harry Potter School in Tecolote Canyon. It's a forest school, and kids from the San Diego district come together at elementary level to work on a series of challenges to save the canyon from Voldemort. And finally, I want to tell you about our graduate program, which is launching in May. I'm very excited about it, bringing together professionals of all kinds to think about food, waste, water, energy in a very trans-disciplinary way for the health of humans and our planet. And so we'll be able to put all our ideas together. And thanks to all my sponsors and all my partners. And I'm going to leave you with a beautiful film of our kids in Tecolote Canyon.
Because I like making stuff.
So we're doing Harry Potter STEAM in the Woods. We're part of a STEAM Academy coming through the Shiley School of Engineering. Essentially, it's a STEAM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, Math day camp for the children in San Diego School District, grades 1 to 4. We're in Tecolote Canyon, which is right next to the University of San Diego. We have the style of forest school, which is a nature-based pedagogy, so we're outdoors. Does anybody know what that is?
You see that light up?
Ooh. Many of these children, like my own son who's taking part, have been learning remotely behind screens. So a camp like this where they're outdoors, they can still interact and have a lot of fun, and they're learning science and engineering, they're learning literature, and to be honest, they don't even know that they're learning that. It's emotionally wonderful to see them all having so much fun. The children's idea of, let's say, for our sake, science and engineering, but also all other areas starts now, and the seeds that are sown to try and help them understand that these are good things to do, but also that they matter. We talk about conservation of the canyon. We talk about Voldemort being this bad guy that's ruining the canyon and destroying the environment, and we can make connection to the real world. And so they grow up understanding that science and engineering should be a power of good and not a power of evil.